Hi, my name is Lindsay Mersman. Planning for and responding to incidents, including security breaches, system failures, or natural disasters, is a critical responsibility of an IT leader. Developing incident response plans, conducting regular drills, and ensuring effective disaster recovery strategies are in place can be very demanding, especially during high-pressure situations. The impact of having a poor disaster recovery plan can include data loss, business interruption, which translates to unexpected business costs, loss of clients, and an expensive recovery effort that could have been avoided. Studies show that 96% of IT leaders have experienced at least one IT outage in the past 3 years. And most companies don't even test their IT disaster recovery plans, even if they have them. Partner with EAG's team of IT experts to deploy a robust IT disaster recovery plan that is continually tested and updated based on real-world incidents, emerging threats, and changes to the IT environment. Contact us today.